What's up, people? Elvis here from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is September 20th, 2011. And as always, to get the same watch list used in my videos, just hit up the blog in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. And to keep up to date, simply use the subscribe buttons here. And if you guys have any questions, just click the contact button and I will get back to you. So yeah, that's it. Right now, currently the market is gapping up, uh, basically 0.5% here. I'm gonna look for a negative to positive real quick, and I'll be back when the market opens up. There's a whole 30 minutes until that happens. All right, here we go. Markets opened up, and let's get some trades on video here. Alright, just picked up a little bit of this SAP. It's on the watch list. Let's see if it could hold a low. Made a small range first 3-minute candle here. Staying really small, don't really want to do too much the first 30 minutes. I'll update you guys here. I might get stopped out. I should get stopped out here. And there it is. And not really a big deal. Give it a shot. I just shorted POT through the 3-minute range. See if it can quickly pull into the previous day's low. It's for a little scalp trade here. Pretty close to a fill here. Trying to cover 400 shares at 29. Should get filled. There we go. And let's see if what this 400 shares does. Let's see if it comes down to the whole number. Got pretty close already. These momentum traders basically shorted. I guess they shorted through the around where I'm covering. That's where I held some. And now if it cracks the whole number, could get a little bit more. Got down to 0.2. Well, there we go. See if we get a little bit more. The market's moving a bit lower. We got a pretty good negative tick reading here. I'm gonna cover at the whole number if it pops back up, which it probably would, but looks good for me so far. I'm not gonna get greedy, just cover it out. Got a fill at 89 cents, so nice nice trade there. Through the 3-minute range, 5-minute range, however you wanted to play this one, worked. I'm watching this MOS here, see if maybe we could crack the low. It's right around the previous day's close. See if it breaks 50 here. Just shorted a little bit. Gonna give it 10 cents. Surprised this one didn't get flushed out with when that POT tank like that. And there it goes. So we should get some sort of extension down to the whole number here. I'm gonna add 1. So average is 48 now. I'll keep my stop at the 61. Just got flushed basically. See, some guys are covering that quarter. I think I'm going to cover a little bit. See if I get it at just a little bit at 04. Let's see if this thing breaks the previous day's low. Looks pretty good on the daily too as a breakdown. There's a lot of stops will probably go off here. Alright, got fill. Let's see if it breaks the whole number now. It'll be a trade just like this. The POT is nice. And basically just to protect here, I'm going to put my stop to 68.10. Would have been nice to size up on this one. So now my target's 67.75. This POT even broke that 75 area. It's a nice trade here. Let me just get my, oh, it's gonna break. Let's put it at 66. Just printed 75, so should get down there. I don't want to get too greedy though. I should get a fill here. Got a 69 print. I just covered it out, you know. I feel like I'm being a little greedy. Got a fill at 81. So another nice little range play. Seemed to be working pretty well this morning. Just got a little Starbucks here. I know that low is put in pretty far away at 44. This one I'm going to risk quite a bit of. Trying to get a little bit of a better bounce. It hit this this moving average already, so might be it, but we'll see. Hear a lot of people talking about coffee, so also Starbucks is the reason it's on my list. It had a nice range yesterday, from 38 to 41.5. And I gave it some thought, and I'm gonna load the boat on this at 53 cents. Let's see if it fills me, and just give it a stop penny below the low if I get a fill. I wasn't able to get more here. I'm up 10 cents or whatever. Still, I'm gonna let it ride. The market looks like it's in somewhat of a bounce mode right now. As far as what the SPY looks like with the pre-market. Even without it, got it there. So I got an order right now at 95. Very close to getting filled here. Just looking for it to pop up to this 20 period. Should get filled here. Moving average is at 98 cents. So still pretty close here to getting a fill. Definite profits on this trade though. I'm gonna lock something in if it pulls in on me. Alright, just got filled there. So nice little trade off that buy signal. And on to the next here. And this was some pretty nice buy signal here on SW, and it would have stopped, gotten a stop out though. I don't know if it was as nice as the Starbucks though. A little bit better. Got this wide range bar from the first candle. That's probably what messed up the setup here. Market got a nice move there. I might try to hop into this SWN. I got a low now is at 12. I probably won't pull into the 20s. That's what I'd look for. Anyway, gonna continue looking around. 30 minutes gone of the day. Let's see what else is out there. Alright, gonna try to get in this MOS off this buy signal here. It did have this wide range candle when it broke the 5-minute range, but we do have a signal printed here. The market's in the rebound mode, positive ticker alert green, so things are good. Things are good on the buy side, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get filled here. POT had a nice move off the buy. That's another reason why I was looking at this, the MOS again. Seems to be lagging behind a little bit. Not gonna probably pass on this if it doesn't. It's not gonna fill me. We'll see though. Give it another couple of minutes. And this LVS just started giving a sell here. Got a little alert, didn't print yet though. Yeah, this MOS is off to the races already there. So just gonna watch this LVS. See if I could get in this one. Alright, next trade. Just got short a little bit of the LVS. The signal is printed here. Meets my risk criteria. And not getting huge because the market is in bounce mode. Strong, pretty strong positive tick reading right now, but this could be a little bit extended just for now. So trying a small position short, give it a shot. And we might get even a buy signal printed here. I will close it out. Let's see what happens. Alright, we just got stopped out. No, let's give it a shot. That's why we're staying small. Alright, on to the next. Alright, got into this this MOS. It really hasn't made much of a move. Well, kinda did. Made up some of its range right here. I'm giving it a shot though. The buy signal's still there, and the market was pushing higher for a minute. But we're giving it a shot. Give it 10-11 cents here. Alright, got over 10 cents here, so I'm gonna play with the market's money now. And generally, this is a setup. I mean, probably only my system would call this a long here. It's basically a clean-looking bear flag. It's also below the previous day's low, but my system gave me the buy. And, you know, just looking for that day trade here. So we're playing with the market's money now. If I get up 15, I'll take the 10-cent profit. I'm looking for this thing though to give me about 20, 25 cents. Just hit that moving average, the fast line moving average is resistance. It's basically pressure. You know, it's on it right now. Now it just broke through. Should get about a 50% retracement between the two moving averages, in my opinion. And I'm gonna take some off. Let me see if I should hit it here. Alright, so took some off. Didn't really get a great fill. Gonna let the rest here ride. I'm gonna lock in 10 cents though. Anyway, I'll update here. Alright, market just broke the 15-minute range. This thing should start squeezing out anyone that's been thinking short. So anyway, got my stop out for a 10-cent profit, and I got my second target limit order out at 18 cents. So I'll update. Nothing else I could do here. Alright, getting close to stop out here. If someone hits a bid, it's gonna get me out. Alright, and just got stopped out. Pretty good trade those. Not bad. Sometimes it's wise just to take that 20 cents, you know. Anyway, on to the next here. Alright, got along this SNDK. Never really rallied up with the market. It's just printed buy there, so just giving it a shot. Market looks like it might want to come in here, but this could act a little bit differently. Just risking 11 cents on small size. So I'll update you guys here. And just looking at this Apple, it's making I think 52-week highs here. Yes, indeed. Man, looks like I might get stopped out of this SNDK. We'll see. It's pretty close though. And I'm watching the market right now. Just got to sell. Sell looks like it's gonna print. If we get a negative tick reading with the sell, I'm gonna get short. The spies. But of course, my signal has to print. It's still in the SNDK. Held in there. Anyway, back on pause, and I'll update. Market's squeezing higher. I don't know what's going on with this snake dick here. This thing should get up to the high. Previous day's high. Give me a little 40-cent move or whatever. Seems like it doesn't want to though. And just got stopped out. I was thinking about it too. It's probably not the greatest signal to take. It's only 3 candles in between signals, so it indicates just some sideways action. Didn't really follow the plan there. Anyway, on to the next one. And man, I was watching this one, just trying to get in. Trying to get in at 17. This would have been so simple. So he might still fill me directly. Oh well, I guess not. Well, we only got a high print at 11, so there's no chance. Might still fill me here though. I am ready. Alright, so got up in there. I got one fillet. I put it in at 09 just so I could have some. So this one should be nice here. It's got a really funky spread to it, so I gotta put some type of bids out there. Alright, here it goes. Just with the funky spread, like 1 or 2 ticks, and this thing goes up and down. Up and down 10 cents. Just trying to get my first fill here at 77. Let's see if they take me out. Alright, they just took me out at 77, so it's a nice trade going here. 400 shares left. Let's see if gets a little bit lower. You know, I think this should get down to the 50s. That 50-cent area is the 15-minute high, and it just hit a this fast line moving average, which is exactly 75. Didn't tap it precisely, but it's in that zone. If it breaks that, it should easily get down to the 50s. So I'll update you guys. Nice one here though. Alright, still in this PA, and I just wanted to watch this area, see if it holds, and it did not, so I should get a fill here. Alright, just got filled. Can't ask for a better trade there. Not really my type of stock. Like, I don't really like trading stocks with a funky spread like that. Now I'm watching this SWN. I'm also watching the SPY. It's printing sell. Well, it hasn't printed yet, but it's showing me sell. It just printed. If I get a negative tick, which doesn't seem like we're getting it. SWN would have, I think it would have stopped me out if I would have got in there. And yes, it would. That's why we wait for that negative tick. Just waiting right here on the SPYs. Let's see if we get that negative tick. I could short small here. Might as well. Just shorted tier 1 or whatever. Let's give it a penny above the high. It's probably gonna stop that. That's why, you know, stay tiny. Never got a negative tick. See, it's just so strong. You gotta ignore the sell signals. PANL though, that's like that's a beast stock. Like, this stock just does whatever it wants basically. It even cracked that 15-minute high. Anyway, on to the next. I might actually even just call it a day here. Alright, I'm just gonna call it a day. So, just, you know, this was a pretty nice example of what you want to look for. Is pretty, you know, aggressive extension here, and got our sell signal basically right at the top, and boom. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also gave you examples of when not to take trades, like with that SPY example that I just gave you guys, and the SWN. Since that tick reading was still positive, that would have stopped you out. If anything, just, you know, wait until the tick gets negative, then take the short. But tick is still positive, still pretty strong. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit up the blog for the daily watch list in the morning. as well as this other key information, earnings, eco calendar, upgrades, downgrades, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you guys have any questions, just simply click the contact button and I'll get back to you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.